What are the top and best 5 coupon codes, discount coupon codes for the Wolt food website here on your PC? So how can we find it? To find it, what you have to do is simply go on the Google Chrome here with me, and you just have to go on the Wolt official website, like Wolt promo code official website. I will show you that how you can get it. So for this, what you have to do is simply on your Google search bar, you have to type best Wolt promo code. And then you have to click on the search bar and just click the Wolt Lite official website here to get code and select your country like you're living in. We suppose that we're living in Germany. I will click on it, scroll down. Here you can see enjoy 30% off for 30 days. The code is Hey30. You can simply redeem this code. That is the first top code that is working, that is really working, because this is present on the official Wolt website. You can simply use it, or if you want to just you want to get higher amount of discount, so you can also go to the third party website in front of you on the same browser. Like, let me just do that. Click back again, and here are the third party website like this. Click on it, scroll down, and here's a lot of promo codes you will see here for about euro 15, euro 30, euro 55, or any type of discount you want. You can reach out to the third party to get more discount, but I will suggest only to use the official website of Wolt to get exciting discount offers. Thank you so much for watching that.